Hi, my name is Rudy. We are at Nasi Kahwin Hari-Hari. It's actually a very small warung. It's called concept street food. Basically, we are serving traditional northern cuisine from Malaysia. It's actually cuisine for wedding. So if you go for wedding in Malaysia, you will definitely see this kind of dishes serving in a particular event. So what we try to do is that to bring in the old traditional food and selling at the stall at the street side. So basically we are serving rice, Nasi Hujan Panas, with choices of chicken with honey, and then beef, braised beef with a lot of herbs, and of course our famous Ayam roast, which is chicken with tomato and chili paste. So it's quite interesting. We serve this together with tea and iced tea or hot tea choices, or syrup, traditional traditional cordial.
Mai lai. Yes. Wow. Ayam apa kepau ke?
Pura ke ada tight boleh tak?
Abang suka pura ataupun tight Bukan ni. Mana kita? Bukan. Boleh?
Boleh.
Kuah campur bang
Macam sikit pak.
Tak ada banyak?
Tak banyak. Tak makan.
Okey. Yang makan ayam. I haven't tried the kyochon. That one from Korea.
Yeah.
And we mix the sauce.
Kalau ada papada boleh tak?
Complete lah.
Ya.
Telur rebus pun okey kat bang.
Letak je kat atas ni.
Ya saya. Air sejuk. Okey.
Sejuk.
Ya. Rudi mau.